Introducing the 2020 Ford F-150. Still the big boy on the block. Whether for work or recreation, the F-150 delivers the performance you need. With an innovative and advanced engine, body frame that is rugged and tough, enhanced fuel efficiency, the F-150 is an effective, powerful, and versatile vehicle. The F-150 provides supreme roominess, great visibility, an astounding number of trims, and unique cab and bed styles. With an upgraded and interactive touchscreen panel, this vehicle is equipped for your every need. So take a test drive with the 2020 Ford F-150 here at Royal Oak Ford.